In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever dropped the wrong shot on your timeline or found a better take after you've started editing, replacing a clip the right way can save you time and keep your edit clean. Here's a clear, reliable workflow you can use whenever you need to swap one shot for another without rebuilding your sequence. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app and load the project you want to work on. Give it a moment to scan your media if needed so everything in your library appears correctly. Next, head to the Edit page. This is the page designed for timeline work with your tracks, tools, and the media pool all visible. If you happen to be on another page like Cut or Color, just switch to Edit using the page bar at the bottom of the interface so you have access to the standard timeline editing tools. Now move the playhead to the clip you want to replace on the timeline. Make sure the playhead sits right over the clip, not in a gap before or after. Zoom in if you need precision and confirm you're on the correct track if you have multiple video layers. This tells Resolve exactly which clip should be swapped. With the target clip identified, go to the media pool and select the clip you want to use as the replacement. A single click will highlight it. This selection is important. Resolve will use whatever you've selected here as the source for the replacement. If you're picking between similar shots, quickly preview them so you're confident you've chosen the right file. Matching resolution and frame rate helps the swap feel seamless and it avoids surprises later. When you're ready, click the Replace button, the icon with two arrows, located just above the timeline. Resolve will swap the clip under the playhead with the one you selected in the media pool. In most cases, this keeps your edit tidy by aligning the new clip to the existing timing on the timeline. Any simple transitions or effects you've already applied to that timeline segment generally remain in place, so you don't have to rebuild them. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can press F10 for a simple replacement, which swaps the shot in place, or press F11 for a ripple replacement, which adjusts the surrounding timeline to accommodate the new clip's timing. Simple replacement is great when you want to preserve the overall timing of your sequence, while ripple replacement is helpful when you want the edit to shift forward or backward to fit the new content. And if the result isn't what you expected, just undo and try the other option. That's it, an efficient, controlled way to replace clips without derailing your edit.